Loading contacts. Contacts can be loaded in one of three ways. First, you may start a new outbound chat and add a contact ad hoc style. Second, click on Contacts on the left-hand column. Once in the Contacts page, you may add contacts one at a time using the Add Contacts button or do a bulk import with a CSV file. If you add a single contact, the only required fields are primary phone number, which must be a mobile number to receive text messages. External ID is used to link external systems such as a CRM. Fill in the other fields as you see fit. Preferred agent and group will designate an agent and a group for this contact to be assigned to if they are available. You may also tag your contact here if you use tags to help differentiate your contacts. Click Save to add the contact. Lastly, to do a bulk import, click Bulk Import. You must use a CSV file for bulk import. The system shows the supported fields for your columns. If you are using multiple tags, you will need to separate them using a vertical bar between each tag. You may also add a custom field to your CSV file by going to Settings, Advanced, and then adding your custom field. Choose your CSV file for upload and click Import. You must map your field headers to their corresponding columns as shown. If you are using headers, make sure to check the Includes Header row box as seen below. Click Import and your contacts will be imported. Larger files may take several minutes to complete the import process. Once completed, you will see your contacts displayed in the Contacts tab.